Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am the parent of Aradhya Khajindar studying in 5th standard. I have some doubts regarding the online learning system.
Okay, tell me.
Actually, I am not fully aware about the online learning system, and my child, she is not able to use it properly. I have many problems, like I don't have strong internet connection. I and my wife, we cannot give proper time to her, and we are not able to understand how the school will help our child learn what she has missed. And I also wish to talk about school fees, sir.
Okay. Sir, firstly, I feel that you're very worried. I need you to calm down. I will answer all your questions one by one. First, I'll tell you about the online learning system. We are a Google Education partner, meaning that we use Google's premium paid services to give online lectures to our students. This may sound a little technical, but it is actually very easy and simple to understand. Yashashri Academy has given your child a unique school email ID that you can use to attend school right from your house, and you can use it from a computer, laptop, any smartphone or tablet. And the best part is that you don't need any expensive high configuration device to attend online school. You just need two apps, Google Meet and Google Classroom. You can download these apps for free from the Play Store. Your child can attend online lectures on Google Meet and listen to pre-recorded lectures on Google Classroom. I will show you how. Now this is the Google Meet app using which you can connect to online lectures. Now for example, all teachers have given lecture codes to your children according to the timetable. Now let's take an example of grade 5 Hindi class. Now the code for grade 5 Hindi is 5 Hindi. Now when you type in 5 Hindi over here and click on join, then you easily connect to the grade 5 Hindi lecture. So this is how you can attend lectures online. Now I will show you the Google Classroom app where your child can find pre-recorded lectures of all subjects, chapter-wise notes and even textbooks in case you are unable to go to the store to purchase. And this system exists at Yashashri since 2016. So this is the app. You can only see the content here that is relevant to your child so that your child never gets confused. This is the assignments class. Here you will find all your daily assignments, homework, classwork and all additional notes if shared by the teacher. All exams will also be put up in this class. All the other sections such as grade 5 English, Science, Hindi, etc. are subject classes with pre-recorded lectures, notes, textbooks, etc. For example, let's take grade 5 English. Here you can see all the chapters from the textbook. You can click on any one chapter. Here you find three things. Once you click on the notes, you will see that we've scanned the notes and we've put up here for your reference. When you come out and click on textbook, here you can find everything that's there in that particular chapter from the textbook which is put up over here. And when you click on the audio video content, here you find two videos. One is the chapter reading and the other is the chapter explanation. Now the reason why we have done this, sir, is because we believe that students from grade 1 to grade 5 are still learning to read English properly. It may so happen that your child may not know the pronunciation to a particular word or may not understand its meaning. So the teachers have put up the textbook on the screen and they have recorded it in their own voice. So the child can read with the teacher keeping the textbook on the screen. This will help the child improve his reading significantly and also understand pronunciations of various words and generally have a greater impact on the child's language. And the other video that we have over here is the explanation video. Similar to the reading video, the teacher has already put up the textbook on the screen and the teacher has explained the entire chapter keeping the textbook there. So this becomes very convenient for the child.
Okay. Does this require an internet connection?
Yes sir, this is all internet based. But don't worry, like you mentioned that you don't have very strong internet, this does not require a very fast or high speed broadband internet connection. This may also work on basic internet. But this will load irrespective of your internet speed. And secondly, watching a 20-minute pre-recorded lecture will only consume around 80 to 100 megabytes of data. So you need not worry about your data limitation also.
Okay. But then from when can we see the lectures and notes?
You can access this data from the first day of school for the entire year, 24/7 without any restrictions. Now when the children are studying from home, they may become a little casual towards studies, and generally parents are unaware and have little knowledge about what goes on in the child's class. So this system empowers the parent to take a deeper dive into the child's schooling and help the child in this difficult time.
That's a good thought. But I somehow feel that children will misuse the internet if we give them an open hand.
Don't worry, sir. Yashashri Academy has thought about this already. Students can only access the apps that we have given them permission to access. For example, students aren't allowed to start video calls on their own. They cannot connect into the lecture without the teacher connecting first. And once the teacher ends the lecture ends for every child also. They cannot download any other apps from the Play Store. They don't have access to YouTube. These are the restrictions that we have set for the student IDs. And taking it a step further, we have a record of all the activities that the child does on the device, such as what type of device he uses, for how long has he used that device, what lectures is he watching on that device, which lectures has he attended, how much MB data was used in this particular class, if he has used the Google Classroom app, which class did he click on, what lecture did he see, what PDF did he view, what test did he attend. All this data is recorded second to second in our system.
Wow.
Yes, sir. And apart from this, to my pride, I'd like to tell you that we have a digital library also for the students. There are hundreds of interesting books that the children can read there, and even listen to some books that have been read and recorded by their favorite teachers.
Okay, does my child in 5th standard have access to the library?
Of course, sir. All students right from grade 1 to grade 12 have access to the library.
I must say, sir, you really have a wonderful, well thought system, sir.
Thank you, sir. We've spent a lot of time in setting this up for the children because we only want the best for our students.
Now, how will my child get to learn something she missed out or needs additional guidance on?
Sir, as I mentioned earlier, your child can watch pre-recorded lectures, reference from the notes on the Google Classroom app. In case you need to talk to the teacher, you may simply give a call in the office and we will set up a special session for you, keeping in mind your convenience and the teacher's convenience, and there the teacher can guide your child and clear his or her doubts one-to-one on a video call.
Okay.
And the child can have as many sessions as he or she wants. We are also conducting bridging classes for children who are not clear with concepts from the previous class. And to attend these classes, you just need to convey your requirements to Mrs. Pradnya Joshi, the administrator of the school, who will then connect you to the appropriate teacher.
Okay. But do we need to sit with the child for every lecture or extra class?
No, sir. You don't need to sit with them all the time. But if you have spare time, I would personally recommend that if you sit with your child will understand the system better. Rather, you will also understand the system better. And this makes the child more serious since you, the parent, is attending the class with him.
Okay. I'll try to give more time to my daughter's studies from tomorrow. But can you update me on what the school has done in the lockdown and how has this journey been for the school and the students?
Okay, great, sir. So, since you told me that you've missed many things, I'll tell you from the start. To our pride, Yashashri was one of the first schools to start online lectures in Ahmednagar. We started our online lectures on the 15th of April 2020. At first, we conducted our lectures on an app called Zoom, but that wasn't very convenient and not very user-friendly for the parents and children, and they found it a little complicated. So we switched to Google's easy resources and we became a Google Education partner. While we were setting up student IDs, Google Meet and Google Classroom, we shared CBSE's NCERT portal's resources with the children to help them study at home. And since parents and children both didn't know exactly what COVID-19 was, so we shared COVID-19 related informative articles also with them. Then we finally shared student IDs and we asked the parents to set them up on their devices. Parents did not know how to do that. So we constituted a technical department who then recorded tutorials on how to set up a student ID, how to use Google Meet, how to use Google Classroom, how to give tests and exams, how to see how many marks have you scored, etc. etc. All these tutorials were recorded separately for mobiles and computers. And then we shared all these tutorials with the parents. This led to a great, easy and eco-friendly atmosphere in the school and we could all adjust with this very easily. And for any technical issues, the technical department was available for the students and teachers on all days of the week, 8 AM to 8 PM. Even today, if anyone has any technical problem, they may speak to the technical head Ajay Khajindar any day of the week 8 am to 8 pm. Although we wanted a physical school-like schedule online, but we encountered many problems in that too. Now the government had said that we should ban lectures for first and second standard because they did not want them to expose to a lot of screen time. And then many parents also had 2 children and only one device. So we had to keep lectures on alternate days and different times. Now like that, many other circulars had come and we followed each and every instruction by the government. The first and second standard children and rather all the other classes did not miss on any studies because we were continuously sharing pre-recorded lectures with them, notes with them and textbooks with them. In the month of June, we realized that students are sitting at home and studying all day with no fun and exercise. So we created activity groups for students who wanted to participate, and then we conducted various activities whose pictures and videos can be found on our Facebook and Instagram pages. We also started morning assembly with school prayer, meditation, exercise and physical training live on Facebook, not just for our students but also for others who follow our page. And to our pride, sir, we could reach 10,000 plus views on average on our morning assembly sessions. We've also offered coding and art classes online. And fast forward to today, I can tell you with great pride that we have around 10 terabytes of pre-recorded lectures, notes, textbooks, extra notes and other video content for students of grade 1 to 12.
Wow, that sounds like a lot. I'm sure it wasn't easy, but I'm glad that my child is in Yashasri Academy. That has given us so much even in the lockdown.
Thank you, sir. We are just trying to do good for the children and we are proud that Aradhya Khajindar is our student.
And what about the fees, sir? Is there any change? Can I pay online?
Sir, the fee structure at Yashasri is the same since the last 3 years. And yes, you can pay online via IMPS, NEFT RTGS, credit or debit card. We also have online payment facilities such as Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm and PhonePe.
Okay. And sir, if you don't mind, I would like to ask you a sensitive question. I know all schools are facing difficulties because fee collection is delayed. Even we are facing a financial problem due to a pandemic and we are unable to pay the full fees immediately. So what can we do in such a case?
Yes, sir. You're rightly saying the entire world is under tremendous financial pressure because of the pandemic. Every school today has great financial pressure today because the school fee collection is delayed. And even as of today, we are joining our hands and requesting every parent to pay as much as they can in the school fees. Every teacher has worked tremendously hard to teach the students during the pandemic. And these are the same teachers that have cared for our children right from the first day in school. They've loved them and nurtured them like their own children. And they have attended to their queries no matter how silly. But most importantly, these teachers have dedicated their life to shape the life of our children. And at least we can do is pay fees and time and support them. And sir, to our pride, in spite of all these difficulties, we have not terminated any teacher. Neither have we deducted any salaries from any employee. And the school has been successful in paying salaries till the month of March 2021. Like you have one family to support, sir, the school has 72 families that are dependent upon the school. Thus, I request you to pay full or even maximum or at least little amount of your school fees that you can pay to support the teachers. And in case you need any financial assistance, there is fee financing available by various companies. And even we are cooperating with parents who are in genuine problem and need 1 or 2 installments.
Okay, sir. Now I am satisfied and all my doubts are clear. I will deposit the full fees of my daughter and I will also motivate other parents to do so. I will motivate my daughter to take maximum benefit from Yashasri's online lecture solution. I take your leave now. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, sir.